Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. How you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling irie because we've got another collective reading for you today. And you're going to want to listen to this one because this one's jam packed and it has got some intuitive gems. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwantarotandtea. So get something nice and juicy. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. Because we're going to get into it, okay? Let us know what you're sipping on today. Put it in the comments down below. And let us know where you're watching, okay? Where in the world are you watching Wagwantarotandtea? Let us know. Okay, I've got some water today. Let us know what you're sipping on, okay? Right, so today we're going to be looking at, for those of you who are interested in new love or bringing new love, and while shuffling, baby. Yeah, we're shuffling into new love, honey. Okay, while shuffling the cards, the Ace of Cups popped out, and I thought, look at this. Look at this. This is a message that the collective need to hear right now. But what I gathered from it is there's new love here. And it's a new love of unconditional love for the divine feminine. And when we say divine feminine, divine masculine, that is like your higher being, your higher spiritual being, okay, your higher self, okay. So think of all of those good high vibrational, okay, let's get the words out, come on, okay, these high vibrational your high vibrational self is all in this energy, okay. But I feel like the message that's coming out, okay, is the universe wants you to do something first. So we're going to look into it, okay? So we're going to look at the question that new love is here, okay? But the universe wants you to do something first. So we're going to pull and let's see what gwan. All right, so sit back and chill and vibe, okay? While we gather the intuitive gems. Let's get into it. Okay. Right. So there's new love here for the collective who wants it, okay? Unconditional love as well. One of the best loves. And while we shuffle, we're going to do our little gratitude. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive today. May the messages resonate with the collective and that they can use these messages to strengthen their intuition and their discernment every time. Thank you in abundance. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right. Hey, look at the first gem, the Three of Wands. But you know what? This is very telling, collective. The Three of Wands. Three in numerology represents growth, expansion, okay. There is a new love here, someone who is ready and willing to give you unconditional love, okay. Look at that. They have 3 staffs, okay. Are you ready to hold one? Are you ready to hold one of these staffs and be in union with one another, okay? This person is waiting for you, okay. This person is waiting for you. But the universe wants you to do something, okay? We've got to figure out what is it the universe wants us to do. And I feel like, when it comes to self-love, is, building that relationship and building that spiritual connection. Self-love and gratitude is always a good starting place, okay? But I feel like this energy is, the universe is telling us a love that is real, that is pure, that is genuine, that is unconditional is here. But with unconditional love, we've also got to be giving ourselves that, okay? So let's see what other gems want to come out. I'm going to start with the surrender oracle deck, the power of surrender. Okay, just give it a nice shuffle with the Three of Wands. But that's a real good energy, good energy coming through already. All right, so just for the collective who need to hear this regarding new love, new romantic encounter with someone who is ready to give them unconditional love in its purest form. Okay, a divine masculine that is ready to give a divine feminine, a love that is in its purest form. What is it that the universe wants the divine feminine to do first for this new person to come in? What is it the universe wants the divine feminine to do first? The intuitive gem is here to surrender fear, to let go of fear, to let go of the fearful stories you are telling yourselves. Okay, stay in the moment, focus on solutions, and celebrate every baby step forward. So the universe wants you to stay in the moment, focus on solutions, and celebrate every step forward. Look at this, collective. This is what the universe wants you to focus on. Now, I'm going to pull out the good karma, okay, so we can clarify. Just have some, additional messages regarding the Three of Wands, okay? What is the Three of Wands trying to tell us about this person that wants to come forward? What is the Three of Wands wanting to tell us about this person that wants to come forward? Although we know already it's to surrender fear and let go. But what does this divine masculine want us to know with the Three of Wands? And I'm getting already growth, expansion. I'm getting the feel. Oh, something wanting to come out, but I'm getting a song is also wanting to come. Oh, it's a song that I used to hear as a child, and I used to watch parents and elders, like married couples, all dancing together, and it always resonated. But it's a song. I think his name is Boris Gardner. So it's a reggae singer, Jamaican reggae singer, and he sang a song called I Wanna Wake Up With You, Baby. I want you to be the first one that I see. I wanna wake up with you. Oh wow. I used to love watching like couples dancing, and it was really nice to see that. Okay. Why yes, the King of Cups. Look at this. Someone that wants to wake up with you, someone that wants to be with you, someone that wants to give you the unconditional love. The King of Cups is that person. The King of Cups is that person. The King of Cups is that king. Are you ready to match that energy of that king? Look at that king. This is the energy. This is the energy of the king. He's yearning. He is ready to give his heart to somebody who believes in the value of unconditional love, who believes in the value of working on their own, building, developing their own self-love, developing their own confidence, working on your chakras, being at peace with yourself. Are you ready to meet this person? Are you ready to do the work that is needed to surrender fear? Now, this is making me now intuitively drawn to pull out our traveling pictures that I love pulling out, because they can give you so much meaning. So let's just move these decks a bit. But look at that collective. All right, so let's have a look and see. Okay, so we can see this is the energy to help us to describe who this person is. They come with this energy. So there's a strong water energy. Okay, they may not necessarily have like their sun sign be a Pisces moon or Cancer, but they can have that water energy, or they carry that energy of that King of Cups. Okay, somebody who's secure in themselves, emotionally secure, okay, wants to give love that is pure in its purest form, in its healthiest form, in its loving and evergreen form. Okay, but they're waiting on you, divine feminine, to get yourself there, to get yourself to surrender fear. Okay, all right, so let's have an image of this King of Cups. Let's see what kind of things that the King of Cups is currently doing at this time while they are yearning and wanting their Queen of Cups to be ready. Okay, let's kind of see what type of activities, what any additional clues on who this person could be that wants to come towards you. Okay, your next encounter. Your unconditional encounter at that. Hey, yeah, I wanna wake up with you, divine feminine. I want to be the first one I see. Hey, boy. Let's see, the King of Cups. Let's see what type of activities, interests they may have. Help us to get to know who this person could. I wanna wake up with you. Somewhere foreign, somewhere. Look at going to Goa. Look at going to try, like go. I feel like this person is well traveled. This is somebody that wants to enjoy moments with you where you're traveling together, you are seeing new sights, trying new things. And I feel like this person is also a very cultured person in that they enjoy learning new cultures. And I feel like with the King of Cups energy, and you can see this as well, the intuitive gem with the Three of Wands being here. The Three of Wands represents that energy of travel, the energy of moving, the energy, okay? And I feel like this person is somebody who is very traveled. They enjoy traveling, and I feel like they will enjoy coming to you, getting to know you more, and really value the importance of developing this relationship with you. But I feel like this person also has this spontaneous energy with this lot of fire energy here that, you know, they are keen on, like booking a flight somewhere and saying let's have a romantic like trip somewhere. Like this is the type of energy. But I feel like the energy with this divine masculine is completely different to anything that you've ever experienced in your life. And I feel like this is why the surrender, the fear is here. So I'm gonna see if there is anything else just from the surrender cards that the universe wants you to know. Is there any other messages from these cards that you want the divine feminine to know right now? Ooh, this is the one. Surrender, stubbornness. So some of you may have a stubbornness, and I feel like this stubbornness collective at the Wagwantarotandtea collective, the Wagwantarotandtea collective, to surrender stubbornness. And I feel like this energy, just from feeling this card, is the stubbornness of maybe from past experiences, past relationships where they may have not worked out in the way you may have favored, and that may have created some energy of fear. It may have created some energy of branching yourself out, like the Three of Wands, going out to try new things. Okay, and I feel like the universe wants you to stop that, and the universe wants you to stop any kind of self-doubt, any kind of petty behavior. Where I'm getting this is kind of like looking at things and thinking, oh well, they look like they got it good or something. I feel like the universe is saying, you stop that, okay? If you're tensing up or taking a rigid stance about something, gently observe yourself and become more yielding. This will help you to communicate more loving. Look at that. To communicate more lovingly with others and yourself. And it's the thing. It's exactly the same message. I had my eyes closed while reading it, while getting these messages. But this is the same energy. It's like letting go of that, like letting go of this thought that it does unconditional love. And I love where someone wants to wine and dine you, take you out, be spontaneous, okay, and take you shopping. Yes, baby, if shopping is your thing, go girl. You see what I'm saying? Yes, if you enjoy being wined and dined, okay. Johnny Gill's coming in, mama, okay. Someone that wants to get you a nice dress, or you to say no, baby, you I trust you. Here, take the credit card, take the card, buy whatever you want, and then I've got you, baby. This is the King of Cups here. I've got you, baby. I'm confident, I know this is the woman that I want. You feel me? This is the divine feminine that I want. You feel me? So I've got this. If you want to get a bag, or you want to get a dress, because we're going out tonight, we're going to go to a nice restaurant tonight, and I know you're going to look good, but I'm going to give you this credit card right now. I'll give you this card, give you what you want. You do whatever you want, baby. You hear me? Okay? And if you got some time, if you can get me something nice to maybe sparkle my outfit as well. And you're like, ooh wee. This person is wanting to do this with you. This person is wanting to do this with you. Now they could be. I feel like this person is someone who's very handsome, and I'm getting like aesthetically pleasing. They can be any, from any background, any cultural background, any ethnicity, anything like that. Like, they can come from any parts of the world, this person. But I feel like this person they may have really broad shoulders. And I feel like the broad shoulders is that, again, that energy of it's like a sign of them being very secure, very confident in themselves. Okay, they know what they want. I feel like you will be so, again, like, I feel like this might be an energy that you may come across when you meet this person. But I feel like the universe wants you stop that. Okay, back into auntie self-love mode, darling. Honey, let me tell you. Listen carefully. You hear that? Somebody who is the purest. Ayo, someone who is the purest, who want to give you unconditional love every day and every night. Yeah, that every day and every night is waiting for you. There's waiting. Look at this. Them waiting. But them want you to get ready and stop looking back on the past. You understand? Stop looking at the past. The past is gone, long gone. A future is now. And this one's sweet. It's sweet, yes? So you ready? Alright. You better listen, Alright. Thank you, Auntie Self-Love. So simply what Auntie Self-Love is saying, don't dwell on the past. Don't dwell on the past. Don't dwell on the past. And all those past experiences and things that didn't work out, because something new, something better, next romantic encounter is waiting for you. But the universe wants you to let go of fear. Let go of the fear. Let go of that doubt that you don't deserve this, that you are unworthy. We're letting go of this. We're bringing this good energy into the read, to let go of all that energy that weren't serving you. It weren't serving you. You see, look this woman. She was looking at the back, looking at something because it wasn't serving. It's not serving. Let go, because something better, something sweet, something juicy every day and every night. Remember that. This is what Auntie Self-Love was saying. It's coming to you. It's coming to you. Okay, someone that will truly appreciate you, love on you like you've never been loved before, Divine Feminine. Okay, this is the type of energy the Divine Masculine carries. Woo! 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 So, let's pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what the Jamaican proverb wants to tell the collective at this time regarding this person who is carrying this energy of divine masculine energy that will match this divine feminine with unconditional love. Let's have another clue, please. Additional clue from the Jamaican proverb. Ooh, wee. This person wants to put the shirt on. Look at this one. When trouble take you, Pitney shirt fit you. You hear that? When trouble take you, the Pitney shirt fit you. This simply means, okay, when trouble comes your way, a child's shirt will fit you. Okay, so when trouble comes your way, a child's shirt, okay, will fit you. And this simply means when something is coming your way, in this situation, okay, you're going to do a 360 because now it's going to be something so different that you've never come across, okay, that you have to figure out a way of how you're going to match that energy, because that energy is going to come strong. It's going to be real, it's going to be pure, and it's going to be ready. There's not going to be any kind of wishy-washy, okay, 50-50, none of that, okay. It's going to be pure and real, okay. And look how this one comes out as well. Oh my gosh. So look, challenging, difficult, adversity. You've got to learn to adapt. Get yourself out of the situation and think out the box. And I feel like with this situation, okay, in your past experiences, you may have kind of got, oh yeah, it's this type, it's him, you know, this is the type of energy I've always had to deal with. Okay, you better go and call Tyrone. Okay, this is not this energy. This King of Cups here, this divine masculine energy, this is not this energy. You're going to have to learn to adapt. And this is yes, it may create an energy of fear around it, but the more you embrace it and welcome it, and we use an affirmation, I welcome and embrace a divine masculine that loves, admires me with the purest form of unconditional love. Hey, divine feminines in the collective. This is the energy. This is the energy that we should all be aspiring to and embracing. Okay, embracing into our lives, into our existence. Speak it into existence. Speak it into existence. Woy yoy. So, as a lasting message, we're going to bring the good karma regarding this person that wants to come to your life. Can we have a lasting message, please, for the collective, so that they, just as an additional message for them regarding this person that wants to give them pure unconditional love. Let's get into it. Let's see what wants to come out. Woo, 6 of Swords. Hey, so I feel like this is a message. This is the 6 again, the energy of balance in numerology, in tarot, balance. The 6 of Swords here is saying we as a collective, okay, let's bring that we, so you don't feel like you're just alone, collective. But we're talking to you, divine feminine here, okay. We have to leave this. We have to let go. We have to let go for this to come our way. You hear that? We have to let go. We have to walk that mountain, walk up that hill. No matter how tempting, it might feel to stay in our comfort zone. But on the top of that hill, bigger and better every day and every night. Hey, you hear that? Intuitive gems. Who know? All right, is better. So are you ready? Are you ready for that next romantic encounter? Are you ready for that next lover to come into your life? All right, we're going to leave it here. But to the collective, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay? Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. And that's just Jamaican patois to just say that's how it goes around here. Okay? That's how it goes around here. But be sure to look good. Hey, feel good. Stay blessed and let us surrender this fear so this good energy can come our way. All right. Wagwan.